I just finished making this awesome woodworking bench and I was sidetracked with a quick project at the end. I feel like I need to sign it or put like a maker's mark on it. I've got these branding irons which are really cool and they've got my initials on it. But what I've decided to do is use these cool letter punches from Tray Tools. Has anyone used them before? I put two together there as a test stamp and I think I've hit it a bit too hard, but it's come out nice and neat and lined up. Then I did another test and individually stamped the letters and I've got this wild wonky effect. So my plan is to make a jig 7 letters long, which is the length of my name. If anyone has a different idea or suggestion, leave it in the comments. Okay, my idea is to hold that down with a bolt, this side, and I found a old wing nut and washer to do that trick. I found these old bolts as well. They're 1/4 inch, and interestingly they've also got the metric size on the box. They're from Kmart Australia. You can't really see that very clearly, but it's $4.36. Australia converted to the metric system in 1970, and by 1988 we were totally metric. A drill press in a woodworking shop is an absolutely invaluable tool. It was actually a test piece. I was practicing making a mortise and I was going to cut that off, but I think I'll leave it on there. It's cool. Maybe I can use it for clamping down on. I've decided to stamp MP 2020 as my mark, and I reckon here is a good spot for it. I've clamped it in place and I'm going to use this blunt coal chisel to ensure that I hit each individual letter separately. Now I need the 2 and the 0 again, so I'll remove them, put some dummy letters in. Two, 0. Tighten the jig back down. Check. Yeah, that's beautiful. If you're interested in checking out this epic workbench, I'll put a link up here or one in the description. Thanks for watching.